In this lecture, we'll study 8:1 multiplexer. Multiplexer is a combinational device which has many inputs and one outputs. For example, this 8:1 can be represented as 2 power 3 is to 1 mux. Here, this 3 indicates select lines and this 1 indicates output line. Here I will draw the block diagram of multiplexer, 8:1 multiplexer. Suppose this is 8:1 multiplexer. It has 3 select lines. Let S2, S1 and S0 are the select lines. Let it has 8 input lines. Let this be I0 input. This is I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7. Let it has one output, say Y. So here, as I said, it has 3 select lines, that is S2, S1, S0, and 8 are the input lines and 1 is the output line. So here these are the input lines these are select lines and Y is output line. Let's write the truth table for multiplexer. So in multiplexer, truth table is written with respect to select lines and output line. Here the select lines are S2, S1 and S0 and the output is Y. So as there are 3 input lines, 3 select lines, the possible inputs are from 0 to 7, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the possible inputs. So in multiplexer, suppose the select lines are 0, 0, 0, that is S2 is 0, S1 is 0 and S0 is 0. In that case, the multiplexer will select the input line I0, that is internally I0 will be connected to Y when select lines are 0, 0, 0. It means that when inputs are 0, 0, 0, the output Y is connected to I0. So if at the I0 input, if the data is 0, 0 will transmitted to output line. If the data is 1, the 1 is transmitted to output line. So now we can say that at 0, 0, 0, output Y is equal to I0. Similarly, when the select lines are 0, 0, 1, that is S2 is 0, S1 is 0 and S0 is 1, it will select I1 input and it is connected to output line. Therefore, the output will be I1. Similarly, when the input is 0, 1, 0, that is equivalent to 2, the I2 input will be connected to output line. Therefore, any input which is given to I2 will be transmitted to output side. Therefore, at this time the output is I2. Similarly, When input is 0 1 1, I3 will be selected and it is connected to output. It will be I3. When the select lines are 1 0 0, I4 will be connected to output side. Therefore it is I4. When it is 1 0 1, I5 is connected to output line. This is I5. When 1 1 0, that is 6, I6 is connected to output line. This is I6. And when the inputs are select lines are 1 1 1, I7 is connected to output line. So this is the truth table of 8:1 multiplexer. Now using truth table, we'll write Boolean expression, that is y is equal to, here S0, here S2 is 0, S1 is 0 and S0 is 0. So I can write it as S2 bar, S1 bar, S0 bar, and we have here output is I0, that is I0, plus the second term, that is S2 is 0, S1 is 0 and S0 is 1. We are supposed to represent it as S2 bar, S1 bar and S0. As it is 1, we are supposed to take S0 only, that is S2 bar, S1 bar, S0. The corresponding output is I1. Similarly for I2 it is S2 bar, S1, S0 bar, I2, and for I3 it is S2 bar, S1, S2 bar, S1, S0, I3, plus for I4 it is 1 0 0, that is S2, S1 bar, S0 bar, I4. For I5 it is S2, S1 bar, S0 plus S2, S1 bar, S0, I5, plus for I6 it is S2, S1, S0 bar, S2, S1, S0 bar, I6, plus the last term is S2, S1, S0, S2, S1, S0, I7. So now we'll implement the Boolean expression using basic gates. So here we have 8 terms, so we need 8 AND gates. Each AND gate is having 4 inputs, and to combine all these things we need one more OR gate. So output of each AND gate is connected to input of the OR gate, and the output of the OR gate is Y. This is the implementation of 8:1 mux using AND gates and OR gate. The select lines are S2, S1 and S0. As we know, as per the Boolean expression, we need S0 as well S0 bar, S1, S1 bar, S2 and S1 bar, S2 bar. Select line, the select inputs are connected to particular AND gate according to Boolean expression. For example, the first term in the Boolean expression is S2 bar, S1 bar, S0 bar and I0. This is the I0 input which is directly connected, and remaining 3 are select line inputs. Those are S2 bar, S1 bar and S0 bar. Those are connected to AND gate. Likewise, inputs are given to each AND gate. The output of each AND gate is given to OR gate. The output of OR gate is the output expression, that is Y. Thank you for watching.